Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be opening up dresses I got from Sunfere, and I will also be trying them on and reviewing them. I have 3 beautiful dresses to show you, which will all be linked in the description down below, as well as my discount code. The first dress I got is the Melina Asymmetric Sleeve Drape Maxi dress. Starting off with the first piece, this piece is a shoulder drape. So it is the same length as the dress, and it has these ties that are on the side here, and you would basically tie this around your waist. And then at the top, it has a hole for your head, as well as some ruching on the shoulder here. And you can actually unzip this if you want to wear it more off the shoulder. And then on the other side, it has no sleeves, so it drapes right over your arm. So the top part of the dress is almost like a normal mini dress. It has a high neckline, kind of like a box tank style. It has a zipper that goes down the back, and then attached to the left side, it has this drapery, which has this ruching. I think this dress is a very futuristic style. It's very unique. Of course, you can wear the dress with and without this extra piece. This piece drapes on your hip basically, and it gives off a very asymmetrical look to the dress. I love this material. It's a very slick and shiny material. It's not very tight, but it's not very loose either. It's kind of just flowy. A dress like this definitely deserves to be worn for a big occasion. The next dress I got is the Beryl Pleated Ruffle Hem Mini Dress. This burgundy color is absolutely stunning, and this material, it truly does flow like water in a way. The design is so cool. I've never seen something like this. It's almost kind of like a silky material. It's very shiny, and it is very lightweight. So it is a mini dress, and it does have long sleeves. The top of the dress has a very open neckline. It is a V-style neckline, and it has these strings that you can tie, and they basically tie a bit below your neck. What's really interesting to me about this dress is that it has shoulder pads, and I actually love that because I find sometimes with long sleeve dresses with like nice materials like this, it fits very slouchy on the shoulders. I feel like it could use a little more bump to it. So these shoulder pads will sure do it. The sleeves are pretty loose, and they do have a cuff at the bottom. It is just a simple button cuff, and it has this little opening here. The body of the dress is double lined because this material is a bit see-through, as you can see on the arms, but it's very nice that they double lined the front as well as the back on the body, so we don't have to worry about anything showing. It has a little pearl button at the back, and it has a bit of an open back moment here, almost like a keyhole. And as we make our way down, it has this very slouchy fit to the waist of the dress, which I love, but then it kind of cinches around the hips, so it still gives you shape. Once again, there's super cute tag. And then it has this almost like sash kind of detailing on the hips. It goes around the front and it twists at the left side, and then it has another piece that drapes down. It's longer than the dress itself, but it kind of gives like that tied waist moment, almost like a sarong. It ruffles a little bit outwards, as you can see, and it is a 3-tiered layered skirt. The dress also has a side zip to make it easier to get on. I think this dress is stunning. This is something that I would love to wear on vacation. The last dress I got is the Vita off the shoulder ruffle mini dress. I got it in this beautiful blush pink color. I would like to mention, of course, taking them right out of the bags. They're a little wrinkled, but when I put them on, they are going to be freshly ironed. Similar to the last one, it is a mini dress. This one has a lot of ruffling. It has an off-the-shoulder neckline with stretchy off-the-shoulder sleeves. And on the off-the-shoulder, it has a 2-layered ruffling. It goes all the way around. I love when off-the-shoulders have that ruffling. I think it's just adorable. And then it has this corset-like bodice. It has lining going down it, and then we get to the skirt and it puffs out a ton. It has a bunch of different sections of ruffles. This material is very new to me. I've never had a dress in this material. It's a very interesting texture. It's got a bit of a shine to it, and it's also very sheer. So they have the bodice of the dress double lined. The dress has a zip at the back, making it easy to get on. I truly think the color is what makes this dress so beautiful. This shade of pink is just so light on the eyes. I can definitely see myself wearing this dress on a cruise. It's a very casual dress that you can really wear for many different occasions. If you're curious about what size I got, for all of the dresses, I got a size small. So those are the dresses that I got from Sunfere. Let me know which one was your favorite. Definitely go check out Sunfer's website if you're looking for dresses because they have so many dresses for so many different occasions. Of course, if you did like the dresses that I showed today, once again, they will be linked in the description down below. So thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye, everybody.